a good candidate for liposuction will be a person who has basically excess amount of fat deposited in a very particular area rather than suffering from an overall obesity. And apart from that, a person who does not have the persistence or the patience to go through a diet and workout regime. So one needs to understand that when one decides to go for liposuction, it will only be a particular layer of lipid which will be removed from under your skin from a particular area, but it is well known that liposuction does not help in weight loss. There is no weight loss which you can expect through liposuction. It is only the reduction of lipids from a particular part which you can expect. So from a cosmetic point of view, if you would like to bring a particular part of your body in shape in a very short duration of time, then liposuction is the procedure for you.